All right, another new route here. Brigham and Women's Faulkner, JP, Brookline. Heading over into West Roxbury, Heinz Playground. Look, they already have a sign for you here. Employee bike parking. Just bike on over if you work here, rack it up. Left here on Allendale, coming out. We got a little lane. We're going right, but just so you can see this, we got a nice lane here down the middle. A lot of people are going left here. So it's set up for you, but we're gonna go right. Get the green arrow. Do have a lane which will be ending, and we have a delicate intersection here coming up. VFW. Plus the construction. All right, you see how my lane's getting sawed off? I need to be in the center lane. Somebody right behind me too. Because they're gonna go right, veer off to VFW. We don't want that. Right now, on this route we don't. Alright, still on Weld, crossing the West Roxbury Parkway. Crossing Church. Alright, taking a right on Greeton. Well, I was going to, but it snowed up, so we're gonna go to the other entrance. Right on Manthorn. Now we'll head in this way. Now it looks like the path is kind of so here we are inside Hyde. It's got a little path around. Obviously right now with the snow, I'm not seeing the best of it here. I'll give you a little perspective though where you're at. So that's the VFW you're seeing straight ahead. This is that big playground and park you see on your right when you're coming back in on VFW towards JP. You know, you're coming from west here, Dedham. And then hot spot for sledding.